Actually, I think we should come after noon, the last time of afternoon, because the sun angle is not good for photography and for videography. You can see sun is, this angle is right, but the temple is this side. It is not looking so clearly. Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to another vlog. I came to Delhi to see the Lotus Temple, and you can see that this is looking so gorgeous. I will show you to go with the guys. You can see the area so beautiful. और भाई मैं हिंदी में ही बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि इंग्लिश में फेल नहीं आता। बोल भले हो कितना अच्छा लो, बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है यार यहाँ। लग कितना अच्छा रहा है, आप लोग देखो भाई। यहाँ की जो हरियाली है ना, इतनी फिनिशिंग है यहाँ पे। पता है दुनिया भर के अंग्रेज लोग आए हुए हैं यहाँ पे, और यहाँ के अंग्रेज़ों के बुढ़ा बुढ़ियों को तक इतनी ज़्यादा शौक होती है भाई, इतनी हमारे यहाँ के लौंडों को नहीं होती होगी। मैं दिखाऊंगा आपको, अगर मुझे कोई दिखा वो सामने रहे टारगेट हमारे। एक मिनट देखो भाई, अभी दिखाने वाले हैं। ये रहे इंग्लिश मैन जो हमारे देश को लूट लाट के भाग गए थे, अब यहाँ देखने आते हैं, बट कोई नहीं। See guys, this is the amazing piece and the amazing part of Lotus Temple. And you can see that the plane is, its height is very low. I think they are Chinese. I can't understand their languages. भाई क्या ही बोलूँ, क्या बोलूँ भाषा कोई। And the main part of this area, so beautiful. भाई पेड़ों की कटिंग देखो कितनी जबरदस्त लग रही है ना। Actually the girl is speaking English. I think she is Indian, but I can't understand she is foreign or Indian because he is speaking English like we are, but Indian can't speak like we are English. भाई यहाँ जूते चप्पल को ना उस थैले में रखवा के कहीं पे जमा कराते हैं। नंगे पाँव जाना पड़ता है ना, कोई भी जूते चप्पल नहीं पहन सकता यहाँ। पता नहीं ऐसा क्या है का शायद मंदिर है, टेम्पल है, सो नॉट अलाउड टू wear the suits or slippers. And you can see that nobody is wear the slippers and suits. And guys, the main part of Lotus Temple, you can see that looking so beautiful, so dedicated, just looking like a wow. The amazing Lotus Temple. And this is talking of our suits G22. We have to keep it like very well because this is our sleeper and suits, you can see. And we are going the next stage of Lotus Temple. This is the, so guys, you can see that this is a so beautiful pond, and this water is like a greeny blue. It is looking so beautiful scene. And guys, scene dekho, scene. You can see that the scene of Lotus Temple. Guys, you can see that the second pool of this area, and this is the pond area. You can see that this is looking so beautiful, and I think the piece is very gajab. It is looking so beautiful, so dedicated, just looking like a wow. And the third pond of the Lotus Temple. I came here first time. I know that there are three ponds. No, 4 ponds. One other is there, and that side. Four ponds are there. Okay. Largest scene, and I was forgetting it. Guys, there was not allowed to use mobile phone or camera, so I could not see the inside area of the Lotus Temple because it is against of the rules. So please, we are sorry for this, but what I guys, now we have come out of the temple, and this is the out area of the way. You can see that. I think there are more than foreigners than the Indians. You can see this and this. So now we have come out of the temple, and it is the edge area of the way. You can see that this is of our villages. You can see the foreigns. They are the foreigns, and
Middle of the night, I think of you.
I am the Indian. They are the foreigners. Actually, I think we should come after noon, the last time of afternoon, because the sun angle is not good for photography and for videography. You can see sun is, this angle is right, but the temple is this side. It is not looking so clearly, not enjoyed. But yet is it anywhere, it is looking so beautiful, and I don't know from which foreign they are, but I know that they are foreign. You can see that. This is the fun of Lotus Temple and the oriental places. भाई मुझे अभी एक विदेशी लड़की मिली थी, उसने मुझसे 2 बार फ़ोटो खिंचाया, और सेकंड टाइम में जब वो आई तो शर्माने लगी. अगर वो मुझे मिली तो मैं उससे पूछूंगा दैट फ्रॉम विच फॉरेन शी इज़. But I think this is very difficult to find there again, because many people are there, and how I will find that. But yet I will try it. Guys, she is not looking. I think I have lost there. So I think I will not found them again because she has lost. So now we are going back to our destination, and I think I have shown you the full Lotus Temple like here. Actually, I tried to good as I told you. So we are coming out, and this is the exit gate. So guys, we have come out of the temple, and you can see that I was speaking English because anybody think that it can't speak English Hindi. So सभी लोग इंग्लिश बोल रहे थे, तो जो नहीं बोल सकते थे भाई वो चुप थे, और अगर मैं ऐसा हिंदी बोलता तो सब देखते कि ऐसा कौन सा एलियन आ गया. तो भाई मुझे यहाँ इंग्लिश में शूट करना पड़ा. बाकी मैं जैसा बोल सकता था मैंने बोला. आप लोग कमेंट में बताना कैसा बोलता हूँ मैं, और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना. ही इज़ माई ब्रदर, एंड for few seconds. Guys, this is the main exit gate of the Lotus Temple, and I have come totally out of the temple. So yeah, of course, यहाँ से मैंने शुरू किया था. We have started from here, and we are going to out of the main gates. So please like and subscribe the video. If you like this, then comment please.
Yeah.